the trunk. We just enable the negotiation to be trunk, but now we should configure. So these pings will not yet succeed. Okay, so we are in S2 ping BCB is this one. So we go here. It will not work. It will not work because it's not yet configured the trunk. Okay, it will not work because this it's about negotiation. Success rate is 0. Now we are going to what? To manually configure trunk interface. So if you answered no to any, why? Because we didn't yet uh, we didn't yet configure the trunk. Okay. So now remember, as we did switch port mode access here, we should do that. Okay. So now the switch port mode trunk command is used to manually configure a port as a trunk. This command should be issued on both ends of the link, S1 and S2. So we go here, because we didn't issue yet the no, we are okay, enable, then conf t, then we go to this interface, and then we should execute this trunk. Here we are telling that this interface, it should be trunk. Okay, then we should also do the same for uh, um, S2. So the first thing is that one. So you go here and you no, it should be conf t, then this one, then switch port mode trunk, then, and we are done. Afterwards, issue this command to check. So we should for sure exit here or end. Then we exit from the other part. Then we should issue on this comment. What has been changed? Mode on. You see? Mode on, it means that before for negotiation, but now it's active. So this as activate the trunk on this interface. And also we should check this one here, and it's on. That's good. So to view the mode, note that the mode change from desirable to no show. This is done. Now modify the trunk configuration on both switch by changing the native VLAN from VLAN 1 to 1000. Remember, VLAN native, it means that this allows to pass the traffic without tags. So we should execute this. To 1000. Then And then 2000 should, here it means that modify the trunk on both switches by changing the native VLAN from VLAN 1 to VLAN 10, trunk native, okay? And then we go there on switch to do the same. Ah, S2 received RPD with inconsistent peer VLAN ID on F. Okay. We should also do the same thing here because it was VLAN 1 on S and VLAN becomes VLAN 1000. So they negotiate. This is why it complains about uh, these messages. Now after this it will be okay. So now you are only moving or changing the VLAN, native VLAN, and the blocking. So unblock consistent port, unblocking on VLAN, then port consistency restored. They are consistent. Okay, but VLAN 1. Okay, now after these configurations, show this command to check what's going on. And also on this one, and let's check. So mode trunking, native VLAN has been changed from 1 to 1000. So native VLAN is 1000. And also for S1, 1000, and it has been 1. So remember, any tagged, any untagged traffic should be forwarded to this VLAN, not to VLAN 1 now. Okay? So, command to view the trunk. Notice the VLAN information is updated from 1 to. What might Why might you want to manually configure an interface to trunk mode instead of using DTP? Why we do so, and why you want to change the native on a trunk? Why? So the answers are these have been succeeded. Now, no. Now we should okay, we should switch mode the trunk. This is done. Native, this is done. Why manual trunk instead of DTP? More secure, prevent unwanted trunk negotiation. Because if you keep it manual negotiation, anyone can enter or insert, it will automatically negotiate unwanted trunks or between the two switches. Manual, it helps also to be predictable because exactly we know what we have configured. Why change native VLANs? Avoid VLAN hopping attacks, better security. Because all people No, or attackers. No, the VLAN one is what? Is VLAN one is by default, and it's the native. So this is why we change its name in order to hide it, to for security. Okay. Now let's ping. Let's ping S2. Success rate 100%. Ping S1. S1 is within the same VLAN now. S2. No. Ping S1. We are in S2, so S1. Success rate 100%. Anything is working, right? So final question is that what's needed to allow host on VLAN 10 to communicate to host on VLAN 99, either routers or switch 3 layer 3. Final results: works, PC Sigma switch, no routing. PC and from PC to switch management VLAN needs routing between two different VLANs. Okay. VLAN 10, VLAN 99 communication requires, as I told you, layer 3 device or routers. What are some primary benefits that organization can receive through effective use of VLANs? The first thing is security. Security isolation, reduced broadcast, better performance, easier management.